My name is Richard Cox. I'm the founder and CEO of Kar-Tainer International. We own the technology and we provide the systems that you see behind me used for shipping vehicles in containers. In particular, for this project here, we're partnering with AE Manufacturing, and we are producing cassettes that will be destined for China, which is the origination point of this contract for the shipping of 45,000 Cupra Seat EV vehicles between China and Europe. I think it is a very significant project for this region. In total, for the 12,858 cassettes, you're talking about 8,700 tons of steel. And when you think about that, the project is extremely large.
This is critical for Nelson Mandela Bay. We're very much a manufacturing city, and we need to expand upon this capability. We've got a lot of skills here in terms of all the global manufacturers that operate here. In fact, our automotive industry is responsible for 41% of automotive employment in South Africa. And what we're seeing today with Kar-Tainer's milestone with the cassettes that are going to be exported for the Volkswagen electric vehicles is a very positive move. And we hope that government will provide enhanced incentives in order to promote further production of these cassettes.
From an Eastern Cape government perspective, we always speak about encouraging investment. So our view has always been, how do we leverage the automotive investment to make sure that we create more jobs in our province? And this is it. This is exactly the proof of concept that we've been talking about, to get a manufacturer that makes business out of the OEM investment that we find in the Eastern Cape and specifically in Gqeberha. So today, for us to actually hear that AE Manufacturing, in partnership with Kar-Tainer, they're taking out the first lot of 1,000 cassettes that are actually going to be used to move vehicles from China to Germany. It's on another scale. And this is the excellence that we want to see in the Eastern Cape.